For those looking to boost the storage in their Lenovo ThinkPad T470, T480, X270, L480, L490, L580, or L590. This Deal4GO M.2 2230 to M.2 2280 SSD NVMe bracket is a simple and effective solution. It's a small, silver, stainless steel bracket designed to securely hold a smaller M.2 2230 SSD in a larger M.2 2280 slot commonly found in these laptops. The bracket addresses a common upgrade scenario where users want to install a longer, more readily available, and often faster M.2 2280 SSD in a ThinkPad that originally came with a shorter M.2 2230 drive. Without this bracket, the shorter SSD wouldn't be properly secured, potentially leading to connection issues or even damage. Installation appears straightforward. The user simply mounts their M.2 2230 SSD onto this bracket, effectively extending its length to fit snugly within the M.2 2280 slot. This eliminates any wobble or instability, ensuring a reliable connection. The product comes with only the M.2 SSD support bracket, so it's important to note that it doesn't include the 2.5-inch HDD caddy tray. This bracket is specifically for adapting the M.2 SSD size. If you're replacing a traditional hard drive, you'll need to acquire the appropriate caddy separately. The bracket itself is made of stainless steel, suggesting durability and resistance to corrosion. Its small size and lightweight, just 0.01 kilograms, mean it won't add any noticeable bulk to your laptop. The dimensions are approximately 1.97 by 0.98 by 0.2 inches. Overall, this Deal4GO bracket seems like a worthwhile investment for anyone upgrading their compatible Lenovo ThinkPad storage with an M.2 2280 SSD. It provides a secure and reliable mounting solution, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your new storage drive. Just be sure you don't need the 2.5-inch HDD caddy tray, as it is not included.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.